Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we will discuss about embryology part, that is your insect egg anatomy. So if you preparing for ACF exam, then its part comes in the embryology part and you need to study about it. So let's see what kind of is structure or outer anatomy or inner anatomy does your egg have. So it's your insect egg anatomy. As you can see, there is a micropyle area. Micropyle area will be the entering zone of a sperm for fertilization, while you can see yolk is founding in the central region of this egg. That's why we call insect egg as centrolecithal egg. Okay, as you can see, two type of membrane can be found in insect egg anatomy. First membrane is vitelline membrane, and it is secreted by egg itself. Okay, so first membrane is vitelline membrane, and another secondary egg membrane is your chorion. That's we call it ornamented membrane because it is insect species specific. Okay, different type of insect will have different kind of chorion membrane structure. So if you talk about cytoplasm have variety. It's have two type. One is central cytoplasm. Central cytoplasm will have a nucleus in it, while peripheral cytoplasm will be found in the periphery of your insect egg, and among them, between these area, your yolk will be found here. That's why we call it centrolecithal egg. Insect egg is centrolecithal egg, and yolk is in very high amount. That's why we call it megalocithal egg. Okay, so let's see summary. Your egg is megalocithal because yolk is founding in a very high amount, and it is centrolecithal because your yolk is present between the peripheral cytoplasm or central cytoplasm area. First membrane is vitelline membrane, and it is secreted by your egg itself, while secondary membrane is chorion, and it is secreted by ovary. Cytoplasm can be divided into two parts. Central cytoplasm, it is present in center, and your nucleus will be in here. Peripheral cytoplasm will be found in periphery. Okay, and between these two regions, your yolk will be found, and that's why we call it yolk area, centrolecithal egg. So this is the basic areas or nomenclature, or a basic nomenclature about your egg of insect anatomy. I hope guys you will get it. If you have any problem, then comment down below. In the next video we will discuss about another eggs anatomy. Thanks.